Hello, everyone. Welcome back to pastthatexam.com. And today we're going to be going over adjectives and nouns, N5 Japanese. Okay, so in this example, we're going to be going over these adjectives: small, old, quiet, scary, beautiful. And the word donna, meaning what kind of in Japanese. Okay, so the first example here, or tatoeba, is this small room, chisai heya. So the question is, donna heya desu ka? Donna heya desu ka? So what kind of room is it? Chisai heya desu. Chisai heya desu. So the next one is, this is a jitensha. Jitensha. It's an old jitensha. So, donna jitensha desu ka? It is a furui jitensha desu. Furui jitensha desu. Number two, this is looks like a town, so machi. Let's see, it is a machi. There you go. Quiet, shizuka. So this is a not adjective, shizuka. So, donna michi, donna machi desu ka? Shizuka na machi desu. Shizuka na machi desu. Oh, this is a scary person. Kowai, kowai. Donna hito desu ka? Kowai hito desu. Kowai hito desu. And then we have a beautiful house. House in Japanese is ie, ie. And then beautiful is utsukushi. So, donna ie desu ka? It's a beautiful house. Utsukushi ie desu. If you have any questions, please feel free to put it in the comments. Otherwise, let me know if you have any, if I made something wrong or you have a question, please also put it in the comments or reach out. Thanks.